Hello, my name is Jeff Davidson with Stud Maverick Aviation. This is our first video, so I hope you like it. Please bear with us. Not a videographer, and so the videoing and especially the editing, I'm just learning this, so I'll get better over time. Also need better equipment, so today's videos won't be probably the best. I hope you bear with me. I'm in the process of getting some better equipment, and they will get a lot better. So hopefully you'll come along and join us with this. What happened, let me give you a little background, is in 2001 I got my private pilot's license. Flew on and off for about 6 years, 25 hours a year. And then in 2007 kind of put it on a back burner. It wasn't by choice, it just happened. That time I had 3 kids, 2 of them were special needs, and they take a little more time, a little more effort, and a lot more resources to take care of, and so flying just kind of got put on the back burner. Since then I've had another son who's now 7, and the other kids were watching flying videos on YouTube and brought up to Maxwell, which is my 7-year-old, that I am a pilot and they've been flying before. So he comes storming in wondering why I haven't taken him flying. And so I thought about it and thought I'd really like to get back into it and do it as long as I can. And I ain't going. I'm getting older. I'm not going to be able to do it forever. And as you see, I'm not the greatest shape. Getting older, I'm not in the greatest shape as I used to be. And so I thought, I'd like to do this again. So I thought, let's give this a try. So I went and got signed off in the 172. I did okay for the most part. Struggled a little bit on the landings, and I think being bigger, I'm a lot bigger than I was 13 years ago. I think that's kind of affected me too, especially on the landings. So that's what we're going to do out here today. We're going to go out here and do some landings. So we're at Rockwall, which we're about a mile from the airport, and we're going to fly out to Greenville. It's got a nice big runway, and practice some landings, and that gives Maxwell his first trip, and we're going somewhere so he can get a feel of going somewhere in the airplane, not just hanging around this airport. And hopefully he'll like it and enjoy it, and I'm hoping you guys come along. If you see anything that will help, please comment below. Like I said, the videos will get better in time. There'll be better place videos, more equipment in the airplane where you could critique a little better. But if you see anything, please feel free to comment, and I hope you enjoy it. If you wouldn't mind, please like and subscribe below, and if you would like to support the channel, you go on to Patreon. Stud Maverick is the name. I'll put the link there too, and we'll hopefully you guys will come along and enjoy this. If you join Patreon, members get rewards. We're going to do a giveaway every quarter. The first giveaway is going to be a Lightspeed headset. That's what we already got, and that's going to be our first quarter giveaway, and after that we'll go from there, but we'll give away a prize every quarter. Plus you get access to unseen videos, full-length videos, and there's other things that you could grab. So please support the channel by going on Patreon/Stud Maverick. So what we're going to do now, we're going to load up the truck here and get Max and head out to the airport out here, and well, we'll see you out there.
Rockwall Municipal Airport. Automated weather observation 2114 Zulu. Weather wind 310 at Niner. Visibility 10. Clear below 12,000. Temperature 12 Celsius. Dew point -6. Altimeter 3050. Rockwall Municipal Airport. Automated weather observation 2114 Zulu. Weather wind 310 at Niner. Visibility 10. Clear.
So 6-2. Alright. Air traffic 862 Charlie, Papa short approach into 350. Jones traffic, Bonanza 6055 Yankee. We're about being the north end of the runway for Jones. Get down, full stop. Air traffic, Skyhawk Norman 999 Hotel Echo, making a left downwind, 9 Hotel Echo, Hotel traffic.
Feels like we're walking.
It does feel like it.
How's that?
So this is Caddo Mills or Greenville?
Greenville.
Oh,
How much runway we got?
a lot of runways.
Greenville traffic, Cessna 218, Mike Echo, taking off runway 35, going to stay in the pattern, Greenville. See the big jet?
Yeah.
Major traffic, Cardinal 52132 at 35, ready for takeoff. And a radio check plane, please.
Hear you loud and clear.
And Cardinal Skyhawk 39315, have you loud and clear, how many?
Hear you loud and clear, thank you. Majors traffic, Cardinal 52132 is taking active 35, departure to the east. Majors.
Majors is Greenville.
Majors traffic, Skyhawk 37 uniform, 10 miles northeast of the field, inbound full stop, Majors.
Majors traffic, Cessna 218, Mike Echo, turning downwind, runway 35. Majors.
Traffic 9 o'clock.
As you cut it out when you talk. I think he's the one that's taking off there.
Majors traffic, Colonel 52132, right turn out to the east. Majors.
Major traffic, light team 67, single helicopter, 1,200 feet, currently about 7.5 miles to the west, inbound for the south ramp. Major traffic.
Majors traffic, Cessna 218, Mike Echo, turning base, runway 35, Majors.
Majors traffic, Commander 4719 Whiskey's at the self-serve pumps will be taxiing to runway 35, Majors traffic.
Majors traffic, Cessna 218, Mike Echo, turning final, runway 35, Majors.
Majors traffic, Skyhawk 237 uniform. I am 5 miles north and west of the field. Be doing a 45 entry into left downwind for 36 full stop. Majors.
Major traffic, light team 67 is 1,200 feet, single helicopter, about 4.5 miles to the west, inbound for the south ramp. Major traffic.
Major traffic, Cessna 2044 Romeo. We're about 6 to the east at 2,900 southbound. Major traffic.
Majors traffic, Cardinal 52132, 5 miles to the east. I've got that traffic in sight. Last call, Majors.
Majors traffic, Cessna 218 Mike Echo, taking off runway 35. We're going to stay in the pattern. Majors. How big this runway is?
Yeah. That's L3.
Yeah.
Traffic, got Hawk 25315, departing 35, back to the east.
That's the one taking off.
Majors traffic, 216 Papa Zulu will be taking runway 35 for departure to the southeast, right turnout.
Major traffic says the 218 Mike Echo turning downwind runway 35. Majors.
The one that take off?
Yeah.
Major traffic for cruiser 122 Delta Lima taking the active runway 35 will be departure to the southeast, right turnout. Majors.
There's three of them that lined up to take off.
Oh.
Major traffic says the 218 Mike Echo turning left base, runway 35, Majors.
Major traffic for Cruiser 122 Delta Lima, right turnout, downwind departure to the southeast. Majors.
Majors traffic says the 218 Mike Echo on final runway 35, Majors. See them lights on the runway? Red means you're too low.
You're too low then.
See that Rockwell don't have that.
Nice. Oh, it's bigger, so.
Major traffic, Sport Cruiser 1160 Charlie, turning right downwind, runway right downwind to runway 35, departing the area to southeast. Major traffic.
Oh, sucked. Wind, that's hey. Major traffic says the 218 Mike Echo taking off runway 35, departing to the west, Majors. That's your way. Here, hold that for me.
Southbound traffic, Cherokee 7257 Juliet is turning final, touch and go, Rockwell.
Rockwall traffic, Cherokee 3542 Whiskey, turning right, base, 35 Rockwall.
I don't see.
Slowly traffic, Cessna 167 Victor, about 5 miles. Great. Cleaver traffic, this is Skyhawk 3520 Romeo is going to transition to the south end of your airspace from west to east at 5,500 feet. Cleaver traffic. Rockwall traffic, Cherokee 3542 Whiskey, right,
I see it.
35 Rockwall.
To the northeast, inbound. Cleaver.
Rockwall traffic, Cessna 86 turning right cross, wind runway 35 Rockwall.
Rockwall traffic says the 218 Mike Echo, turning right base, runway 35 Rockwall.
Carroll traffic, port on uniform, approximately 5 miles to the southwest. Going to enter the pattern on a base leg for 3
Keep an eye on him, hon. Keep an eye on him.
Rockwall traffic, Cessna 86 turning right downwind runway 35 Rockwall.
On the traffic, have a good day. Appreciate everybody's thoughts and manners. Thank you.
Have a good day.
Rockwall traffic, Cherokee 7257 Juliet is turning right crosswind, runway 35 Rockwall.
Carroll traffic, 5 Alpha Foxtrot, turning crosswind for the downwind, runway 35, Carroll traffic.
Rockwall traffic says the 218 Mike Echo on final for runway 35 for a full stop, Rockwall.
2 miles to the east, we cross over Bayfield, enter the left downwind, runway 33. Let's go. Cleaver.
Traffic 5 Alpha Alpha is right, crosswind turning right downwind to departure to the southeast, Sherman.
Carroll traffic, turning onto the downwind, 5 Alpha Foxtrot.
Rockwall traffic, Cherokee 7257 Juliet is right downwind, runway 35. Rockwall.
Rockwall traffic, Cessna 836 turning right base, runway 35 Rockwall.
Rockwall traffic, Cherokee 3542 Whiskey, right, crosswind, 35 Rockwall.
I was too high. That's what happens when your pattern's not right.
Rockwall traffic, Cessna
More down instead of
turning right
gradually.
runway 35 Rockwall.
So it's hard to stop falling.